do this. I can't do this. I can't. They're gonna kill me.
Look, Benny, you know I got you, man. Straight up.
Well, thanks, Chris.
Man, shut the fuck up, man. This isn't about you, alright? This is about Benny. Your little punk ass is hiding in the car making your brother take your late money for you.
They will straight up kill my ass.
What, they won't kill me, man?
They don't know you.
Are you kidding me right now?
No!
Trent ISO and Quentin Cash. Man, they'd kill me for just saying something wrong. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Whoa, what the fuck? Nobody is dying. Alright, listen, I know these guys, alright? I've known them for a while. You don't have to do that, alright? Just show them respect. That's it. I mean, what, you're acting like they're not gonna search us?
I don't know, man.
I'm telling you how it is, alright? And that's how it is. I mean, shit, man.
They're here.
Fuck it. Good. Okay, so look. Here's how it's gonna play out, alright? Ricky, your ass is staying driver in case anything happens, we can get out of here as soon as possible. And Benny, you and me, we're gonna take the cash, okay? We're gonna stash it somewhere close in case they try to fuck with us.
How? Where?
Anywhere, man. I mean, Jesus.
Okay.
Let's do it then.
Benny. Thanks.
Sure it's safe there?
Yeah, it's good.
Music rehearsal hall, why here?
Drums are loud.
Alright, so it's 4B.
What the fuck are you doing this now? Yeah.
We got the money.
What money?
The money that Ricky owes.
Ricky. You know Ricky? Do you know Ricky?
Hell no.
I don't know Ricky.
Oh, we know a little bitch named Little Dicky. But not a Ricky.
Is that who you're talking about?
Yeah, it's the same guy.
Shut the fuck up, we know it's the same guy.
Please let me off this motherfucker. Please.
Stupid fuck.
So yeah, we got the money that he owes.
We got who else?
Dickie.
Good. I'd hate to get him mixed up. Where is it?
It's not here. Somewhere close, though.
Oh, you're serious? You guys are dumb enough to set up a meeting with us and then not actually bring the money that's owed?
Just in case.
Just in case. Just in case what? We kill you? What makes you think we won't fucking kill you right now? And then go search out all the places that your little brains would try and hide it. Or would you just stash it in the car with your dumb fuck little brother? Oh. Yeah, we saw you. You're parked right on the street, you stupid shit.
Get in the car. Now. This is what we're gonna do. The money's late, so there's interest.
Interest?
Shut the fuck up!
Yes, interest. It's late. That's what happens when you owe money.
So how are we gonna do that?
There you go. Thinker. What you're gonna do, both of you, is you're gonna go out and sell Ricky's cut. Only, you're not gonna get Ricky's cut. That'll make it square, alright? Then it's done.
Fine.
No. No.
Please let me get this motherfucker.
Shut the fuck up. I said no. I said fuck no, you stupid deaf motherfucker.
Bitch.
Jesus Christ! Jesus fucking Christ! Man.
Hey. Shh. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go out and you're gonna sell that. And then it's done. And it's done. Do you get that? You fucking get that?
Okay.
Let's clean this fucking shit up.
Get Landau to get a bucket. Clean this motherfucker up.
What the fuck are you doing? Let's go, man. Let's go.
No. If you're gonna do it, fucking do it.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Just go. Ray. Jesus Christ, man. Are you okay? Rick, are you okay?
No.
Come on, man. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's get.
No. This isn't meant for you. This one's not for you.
I love you, Ricky. I love you.